Now we learn to encircle the objects starting with the given small letters. अब हम दिए गए छोटे हरूफ से शुरू होने वाली चीजों के गिर्द दायरा लगाना सीखते हैं. D stands for doll. Now we search the picture of doll in the row. Elephant, apple, doll. Yes, this is the picture of a doll. So we encircle the picture of a doll. C stands for cap. Now we search the picture of a cap in the row. Ball, hut, cap. Yes, this is the picture of a cap. So we encircle the picture of a cap. H stands for house. House is the first picture in the row. So we encircle the picture of a house. G stands for goat. Now we search the picture of goat in the row. Butterfly, goat. Yes, this is the picture of a goat. So we encircle the picture of a goat.